you. Microphone po yan.
Kriyan, paki-hold. Hold ako.
Hold lang.
Diin, video na.
Can I have bath towel? Oh, this is my towel. Thank you. Okay, the recipe that we're going to get. A piece of sugar. Bitaw. Thank you for the award.
Pohopoy. Ba't ganyan na ID mo?
Pupoy.
Wala mo natin.
Naubusan?
Be black because God will label me after this video.
Amen.
Because I'm in your creation. Di bitaw. Saan po ingon?
Kaya wala na yung ugma.
Siguro, as a lesson learned, to synthesize everything.
Wow.
Synthesize. Synthesize, ha? Kauban sa criticize. Kauban sa criticize, no?
Bitaw ka to ka ng parang isahon tanan. So ako ang experience is the topic atong negativity and yun hate, love next door. Mo gito ang nagtatakbo jud sa ako. Okay. Ako man gud ang tao kanang murag na natrap ko sa negative sa negative aspect good sa ako ang life. Yun. Selfie or sa kato yeah, it really helps a lot. It really helps a lot for me to na
Video.
Video na.
Okay.
Magawas na karang sa IBP niya.
Sa IBP niya.
Ang voice dapat masculine.
Sige, para yun.
Bringing yung news and update.
Okay. Let me continue, okay?
Back to you, Popoy.
Ang first and second generation is teacher, so I'm a former teacher of Flores de Mayo. You know what, guys?
Malabayang yun ba?
Yun kanang I don't know how to express everything through words. I can't gather everything. Maybe the words inside the Merriam-Webster dictionary is not enough to gather everything na ako na sa big little 1 and 2. And katong sa Love Next Door ba the discipleship gud kayo ang good communication, for I believe that good leadership and good discipleship is having a good communication to your disciples. So it is really a great reminder for me and maybe for us to really be a good kanang communicator good sa ato ang mga isig katao sa ato mga gina-disciple, because God travel a long way jud kay bisig ginawalk niya kung kita gani makalakaw na ganita. Hindi na natin cellphone pero dili pa na to makaya, pero so I really have to learn, and sorry for Daniel and Kuya Aaron na wala gid na mo na ang among LDI sa inyo, and kanang naka-filming guilt ba, pero will to ni Lord ingana go will to ni Lord ipadayon gid na mo ang pag-disciple dito sa Manila, okay, sa all over the world.
Yes.
Kay cruise big cruise man gid niya tibuok kalibutan. Kato. So kanang we are going to miss you guys on Tuesday. Tuesday sa SG. Oo. I mean, murag kanang time really runs so fast. Murag kanus alang to nag-book mi og ticket, but tomorrow is kanang
The final day.
The final
It's
day.
the final countdown.
So, kanto kung kinsa man gusto makauban, just pay your bill sa tricycle. So you come. So ingato lang, I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry because I have joy in my heart. That's really overflows. So,
Joy.
so kato lang kanang dili gid na ako ma-express ang akong happiness to have you all ang among happiness in behalf of Kent na lang po.
Speechless.
Ay, mag-speech na siya.
Speech na siya, speech na siya.
Tama na.
Bitaw ka to. So, thank you for everything. And thank you for making us whole. Because, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the
Excuse me.
Actually, he said that he will not really talk, no? Pero sige lang, tagalan to siya. Bisag 1 minute lang yun, Ken. Okay lang ba?
Ha?
Ayaw ka